trying to make it go. Yeah. And let's go to something like that. This one needs to be sharpened a little bit, but it's getting there. So there you have it. This is a handle for a bent neck bowl gouge. This is one I've wanted for a while. It's kind of like, you know, a regular gouge, except for this can't get down into the bottoms of bowls. With having this bent neck on here allows me to get into much more intricate spaces. And I really like this one. I've wanted one for a while. This one is actually from Black Bear Forge. I bought it from him when I was at Handworks, and he does some amazing things. He makes most of my holdfasts as well as my planing stop and several other things. I love his work. He has an amazing blacksmithing channel if you want to see that as well. But I thought it'd be kind of fun to make an interesting handle for it, and I really like how this came out. So thank you. If you like this and would like to help out the channel, you can do so by commenting down below. Anytime you put a comment down there or you join one of the group of people who just comment down below, thank you. It gets us in front of more people, helps the algorithm grow. You know how it works. And also, if you want to go even farther though, and you really want to help us out, then all of these people over here, those are the fantastic, wonderful, benevolent, gorgeous people over on Patreon. Between members here on the channel and patrons, people who actually help us out, or people who hit the thank you button down below. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. We are completely sponsored by you, as well as the people who buy things on Wood by Wright. If you want to keep us going and keep the lights on, yeah, you guys are the ones who make that happen. So thank you for that. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. So this is a bowl gouge. However, I recently found out, unbeknownst to me, it's not very useful at the alley. I actually got kicked out after the balls started bouncing from the divots I was using. Doesn't work as well as you might think it does.